Kobe. You want to sit right here, buddy? Or yeah, if you want to sit on that right there, you can. Here, come right here. Right there. Good. You ready? Yeah. Let's see if we see some ducks. No, here. Heel. Did you see it? Did you see it? Gunner. I'm gonna take Gunner to go get that one. It didn't work. Go get him. Go get him. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Release. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Release. Good boy. There's a big one. Headshot. I think that's gonna be it. We've been waiting to try to get one more to get a full limit, but I think they're done flying. You could probably stick it out for another hour or two and you might see one, but I don't think he's gonna let that happen. So that's fun. Can't believe I had 2 of them dead and the ammo went click. I don't think it's my gun because I just got back from Arkansas and burned through about 4 boxes of shells, and this is the first time using these 3-inch heavy shots, and because I didn't use them out in Arkansas and they're clicking, so I think it's just this ammo. Just a warning to anybody. Here's what they look like. A 3-inch number 4 shot, heavy steel, heavy shot. That was fun. We got 2. That's what we came for. Some pretty wood ducks. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And the best eating too, right?
I wish you shot 2.
Yeah. These taste the best out of all the ducks, don't they?
Yeah.
I like them.
And they're good to mount.
Yep. Alright. Adios, amigos. See you later.
See you later.